what is a pancreas? Okay, so a pancreas is the station or the gland in our body which produces insulin. Okay, now the pancreas greatly consists of alpha cells and beta cells, as it is called. The pancreas it looks like small islands. Repeat. The pancreas looks like small islands scattered here and there. Okay. Like, and these islands are called as islets of Langerhans. Now, this islets of Langerhans basically just has what is called as the alpha cells and the beta cells. Okay, has what is called as the alpha and the beta cells. Now, the beta cells are responsible for production of insulin, and the alpha cells produce glucagon. Am I making myself clear? These are some new terminologies for most of us. So, alpha cells जो है, ये glucagon produce करता है, and beta cells जो है, ये इंसुलिन प्रोड्यूस करता है. पैंक्रियास के अंतर्गत दो तरीके के सेल्स होती हैं. एक होती है अल्फा सेल्स और एक होती है बीटा सेल्स. ठीक है. सो इंसुलिन क्या करता है? इंसुलिन reduces the blood sugar level. How does insulin reduce the sugar level in the blood? It combines or binds the glucose molecules which are free floating in the blood to create an insoluble molecule. And this molecule is called as glycogen. Okay, now we have three terms. One is insulin, one is glucagon, and one is glycogen. So insulin, what it does, it picks up the floating glucose molecules in the blood and fixes them together into what is called as glycagon. Right? Now, the glucagon, which is produced by the beta cells, is the opposite of insulin. Insulin binds the glucose particles together and called as glycogen and puts these glycogen molecules into the muscles and into the liver, where they will remain until further required for the body. Okay? And whenever the blood sugar level drops, if a person is working too hard, without food, walking for many, many kilometers, the body releases blood sugar by the breaking down of the glycogen molecules from the muscles and the liver, right? For this breaking down, the glucagon produced by the pancreas is responsible. So let us revise. Pancreas has two types of cells, alpha cells, beta cells. Am I making myself clear? Pancreas has two types of cells, the alpha cells and the beta cells. The beta cells produce insulin. The alpha cells produce glucagon. The beta cells insulin combines the free floating glucose particles in the blood into glycogen and store it in the muscles and the liver. When a person is working hard, running for many, many kilometers, breaking mountains, and the blood sugar level may not be adequate to give him strength. At that point, the glycogen, which has been accumulated in the muscles and the liver, will be released back into the blood through the glucagon hormone, which has been produced by the pancreas itself. तो मतलब ये है कि ग्लूकोज को इकट्ठा करके मसल्स और लिवर तक पहुंचाने वाला हार्मोन को भी पैंक्रियास बनाता है। फिर जरूरत के समय पे उसी इकट्ठा हुआ एक मॉलिक्यूल को ब्रेक डाउन करने के लिए जो ग्लूकागॉन चाहिए उसको भी पैंक्रियास बनाता है। आप समझ रहे हो मेरे बात? राइट? So this is generally how the sugar levels are maintained in a normal human being.